Well, it's time for us to find some of the best baked goods and all the fun going on this weekend. So stay tuned for the Local Love Report. Are you looking for a great gift idea? Well, we've got this amazing, beautiful coffee and food color coloring book. Make sure you check out the description below and the rest of the notebooks on my author page. Welcome back, Localtarians, to the Local Love Report. And this is for December 9th, 10th, and 11th. That is your Friday, Saturday, and Sunday for this holiday season. So lots of stuff going on, all kinds of amazing classes and shows and lights. So make sure you check us out. We also do have more places for you to get even more stuff and figure out what's going on in our beautiful city. So let's get started with Friday. 6 a.m. bike drop-off with Monsters in the Morning at Orlando Harley-Davidson. Come on out and help support this amazing cause and get some kids some bikes this year. 9 a.m. 5th annual Oh What Fun at Boxy Park, Lake Nona Town Center. All right, guys, this is a holiday magic awaits the whole family kind of stuff. Town Center tree lighting, you got Hanukkah celebration lights, so much going on out here, including the holiday market. You've got Santa's Cottage, Oh What a Fun photo ops, and more. Craft Corner, Peppermint Forest. There's just so much going on here, guys, and it can be going on throughout the day. So make sure that you check the link in the description 10 so that you can see Essence all of Australia the information trunk show on at One and Only Bridal. 11 a.m. Intro to Marzipan at D&G Occasions. Come on out and take your Christmas goodies to a new level and check out the amazing things you can do with this awesome candy. 4 p.m. on Friday, Bizarro Land Film Festival at Downtown Arts Collective. This is a delirious celebration of cinematic weirdness. Come on out and check it out. Free all the way up to $60. So come on out and see what kind of weirdness you can get into. Speaking of amazing weirdness, 5 p.m. Elves Off the Shelf Fridays. This is going to be going on every Friday between now and December 23rd. It is at the Museum of Illusions, Orlando, in Icon Park. Come on out and get your pictures taken with some of these amazing elves off the shelf. 5 p.m. on Friday, OB Joyful Holiday Art Sale at McRae Art Studios. Talk about an amazing gift, guys. Getting somebody some very unique artwork from a local artist, that's a win-win. 6 p.m. Light up Hannibal Square at Hannibal Square Heritage Center. 7:30 p.m. Stone Dance Academy's The Nutcracker at Ritz Theater at the Wayne Dench Performing Arts Center. $23 and up, going on until December 10th. And last but not least, for your Friday night, 11:30 p.m. Freaky Fridays. The Shining Forwards and Backwards at Enzian Theater. That's going to make it come out to a new level. So make sure you check that one out. All right, guys, it's getting hot in here. Let's get to Saturday. 7 a.m. 2022 Greg Warmouth Reindeer Run at SeaWorld. $33 to $43. Come on out and help support this amazing cause and let them know that Local Love sent you their way. 9 a.m. Breakfast with Santa at Wekiva Island. $12.95 to $17.95. You can come out and have amazing breakfast with your favorite jolly old elf. 9 a.m. on Saturday, Alice in Wonderland, Orlando with Clued Up Games. Go to the link down in the description to get more information and get out there and play, Orlando. 11 a.m. on Saturday, the Nutcracker Family and Sensory Friendly Show at Steinmetz Hall, Dr. Phillips Center for the Performing Arts, $29 up to $89, going on Saturdays till December 17th. Make sure you come on out and enjoy this opportunity to bring people who may have some sensory concerns. 12 p.m. Sip and Shop Pop-Up Market at Nora's Sugar Shack. 1 p.m. Rage for Women's Rights, Surfer Blood, Wet Nurse, Caustic Bats, Sagittarius Aquarius, Tight Jeans at St. Matt's Tavern. $20 will get you into this amazing show. Come on out and support local music. 4 p.m. a Vivacity Christmas with special guest Adrian Cunningham in person at Temecula Arts Foundation. 5 p.m. Ugly Sweater Bar Crawl at Bullet Bar. $25 to $30. Come on and get a little more acquainted with downtown. 7 p.m. Spooky Empire Spookmas Holiday Celebration. Going on at Cocktails and Screams, $10. Come on out and enjoy a little spookier version of their holiday. And last but not least, 8 p.m. Holiday Punch at Orlando Shakes, $35 Thursdays through Sunday, going on till December 24th. All right, guys, if you're still out there trying to find the perfect gifts, or you are looking around trying to find the most amazing things to do, well, don't worry. This is only the tip of the iceberg. You can go over to our Local Love Orlando Entertainment Facebook page, and we are happy to get you going with some great events. We pin a new event post up to the top of the page every single day so that you guys will always know what's going on around this amazing area. All right, guys, and if you need more gifts, you can check down in the description. We do have some of my notebooks linked down there. You can find my author page on Amazon as well by clicking on my name once you pull up one of the notebooks so that you can see all of the options that I've made. All right, guys, you know what that means. We're creeping into the very last day, Sunday. $15, you can come out and check out the most amazing holiday blooms for the season. 11 a.m. Pop Swap Holiday Market 2022 going on at Park Avenue CDs. Well, this seems like the perfect time to be walking into Park Avenue. They do have some amazing things in there, so don't miss this great event. 1 p.m. on Sunday, Mega Market in Mills 50. 2 different locations, guys. It's going to be at the House on Lang and Quantum Leap Winery. It's a free event, so come on out and check out what everybody's made to show you for the holidays and find that perfect gift. 1 p.m. on Sunday, Holiday Pickup Project class with Rustic Journeys. 4 p.m. on Sunday, your very last chance, their last show, Venardo's Circus at Hamlin Plaza. Now, it's also available online, and I will print that link down in the description. $16.50 up to $47. And, of course, as I mentioned, Sunday is the very last show. You can see it Fridays through Sundays up until that date. 6 p.m. Bad Santa Dinner Party at Maxine's on Shine. Come on out and enjoy this amazing winter park institution. Amazing food, amazing people. You don't want to miss out on this one. All right, guys, how many of you think that Christmas came too early and it should still be Halloween? Don't worry, we got you covered. 6:30 p.m., Santa's summoning a Christmas haunted trail and spooky market at Warrior Sports Park. $15, you can come out and enjoy this amazing haunted trail. And of course, not to forget, you can find something awesome in their spooky market. So come on and check it out. And last but not least, for your weekend and your Sunday night, 8 p.m., Queer and Teen Tour at Grumpy's Underground Eatery and Lounge. Come on out and help support with pride. All right, everybody. Well, while you're at it, make sure you don't sleep on some of the local bakeries, local coffee shops. I know I was just out at Austin's and the coffee was chef's kiss, amazing. But you've got Taco Chiner and lots of other places out there. Give me a comment down below. Let me know what your favorite place to hang out is here. And make sure you drop us a comment. Let us know what your favorite holiday treat is, or where you like to do your shopping. We want to hear all about your holiday. If you want to reach out to us, here's where you can reach us. And don't forget to check out our notebooks for more great stuff. Happy holidays.
Don't forget to like and subscribe and share with all your friends.
And hit that bell so you know when we have a new video.